India-Pakistan clashes Chief of Defence Staff General Anil Chauhan acknowledged that the Indian Air Force suffered aircraft losses during the recent four-day military escalation with Pakistan, but emphasized the importance of learning from the tactical missteps that led to them. His comments, made during an exclusive interview with the Bloomberg TV in Singapore, marked the Indian military's first public admission of losses during Operation Sindoor, launched in response to the Pahalgam terror attack earlier this month. General Chauhan, the architect behind India's retaliatory military strategy, clarified that while Indian jets were indeed lost, the forces quickly adapted. The good part is that we were able to understand the tactical mistakes which we made, remedy them, and then implement the changes. 2 days later, we flew all our jets again, this time targeting deep inside Pakistani territory, he said. When asked about Pakistan's claim of downing 6 Indian jets, General Chauhan dismissed it outright. Absolutely incorrect, he said, reiterating that India's counter-strikes executed with precision and long-range weaponry like the BrahMos missile forced Islamabad to call for a ceasefire, strikes that shifted the battlefield. India's counter-offensive on May 10 struck several Pakistani military installations, leading to a sudden de-escalation from Islamabad. Senior Indian officials claimed these strikes compelled Pakistan to plead for an end to the hostilities, a sharp reversal from their earlier aggressive stance. While General Chauhan refrained from disclosing exact numbers, his statement was clear. It's not about the jets being downed, but why they were downed. This subtle yet powerful remark has become the new focal point in India's national security discourse. Political tremors back home. The revelation has triggered political aftershocks in India. The Congress party demanded full transparency from the Modi government on the extent of the losses and the events surrounding the four-day conflict. Party leader Jairam Ramesh invoked the precedent of the Kargil Review Committee, urging the government to establish a similar investigative mechanism. Will the Modi government show the same institutional maturity as the Vajpayee government did in 1999? Ramesh questioned in a pointed post on X, referencing the historic Subramaniam-led report titled From Surprise to Reckoning. Congress MP Uttam Kumar Reddy echoed the call, pressing the government to reveal whether Indian jets were actually downed and what led to the admission by the country's top military commander. Expert Day, Lessons in Adaptation. Defense analyst Shashank Joshi of The Economist offered a sharp assessment. India may have lost the aircraft on the first night due to lack of appropriate armament, citing unmanned Western officials. However, he supported Chauhan's emphasis on adaptation over admission. Learning and evolving mid-conflict is a mark of a strategic maturity, a turning point in military transparency. General Chauhan's remarks, made on foreign soil but intended for a domestic and global audience, may signal a shift towards greater operational transparency in Indian military affairs. While the government has yet to formally comment, the ball is now firmly in Indian Delhi's court. With pressure mounting and political temper flaring, one thing is clear. Operation Sindoor may have ended on May 10, but the battle over its narrative have just begun.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.